Hello everybody, this is Nora with NQ57, and on today's review we are going to take a closer look at some Aimeili's dipping powders. This is a set of 6 different colors, so I'm going to swatch these for you so you can see what the true color of the powder is. This kit does not include the liquids, but I do have the liquids from Aimeili from previous reviews. So let's take it. I'm going to open the package and let's take a look at this. So the package comes with instructions here if you are new to using dip powders, and here you go. So you can follow the instructions or you can just follow my video. I will go ahead and do a quick demonstration using some tips, but here's how you can see how it came packaged nice and neat. And I do let me bring you up close. Okay, here we go. Just to show you, these little jars are 0.35 ounces right there. And I haven't opened this one, so I expect there will be a seal. It's tight. Okay, here we go. Yes. Okay, let's open this up. This actually goes, let me, oh, came up easy. There it is. Beautiful pink. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, and so I do enjoy Aimeili's containers, or these little jars for their powders are one of my favorites. I really like their little jars. So there is this pink, and let's see, as far as a label or name for it, I don't see anything describing the color, but let's show you the next. Oh, beautiful purple. Let's take a look at this one. But yes, like I said, we will do swatches, because when it comes to dipping powders, there it is, gorgeous. When it comes to dipping powders, as you know, once you the color turns out slightly different, being that, I mean, this from when they are in this dry state. So here's the other color, and this one, it's like a seafoam green, very pretty. The 4th color is, this is looking to be, oh, such a pretty coral. These are, yes, okay, but really nice fall colors, guys. So I have seen another line or another brand of nail products with a very similar line, very similar color for the fall. So it looks like these are the trendy colors for this year. This one's looking to be like a gray. Let's see, it's almost there. Oh, it's blue. It's a periwinkle blue. I hope these colors are coming out right on camera. And then last but not least, yes, this is another very pretty color. Look at that. Oh, I don't know how, this is like a maroon. Oh, so pretty. All right, let's go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and swatch these on tips, and I hope you guys enjoy. Here's a surprise, guys, that I wasn't expecting. These dip powders change colors. This is what happened as the top coat, the first layer of the top coat, was drying out. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and apply the second coat. Okay, so just to let you know, because the top coat application for dip powders appears to be the most challenging for a lot of people, especially if you're new to dip powders, you saw me apply 1, 2, 3 strokes of that top coat. That's what you want to do for that first layer of that top coat, okay? And leave it alone. Let it dry for a couple of minutes. Then after that, you can apply a little bit more of a generous coat over as the second layer of your top coat to get that nice glossy finish of your dip powder nail. Okay, so look at this. I did not know these were thermal powders, so that's a bonus. I'm gonna have to pull out something and play with these and see how the others go. So let's watch. I'm gonna go ahead. That was just a quick demo of the application on your nails. I'm going to go ahead and finish the other swatches and come back and show you what they look like and do the thermal test on them. Okay guys, so as I was opening the jars to move on to the rest of the swatches on the tips, I noticed when I opened this one is the blue one here in the jar, and I flipped the top over. This is the little cover, you know, the seal from it. There's the powder. You notice the color difference? Okay, so there's a thermal thing going on in here. It looks lilac on this side and a pretty periwinkle blue on this side. Now, which one is cold and which one is hot? I really don't know. I mean, because right now I have a fair temperature and it's maybe, I'm gonna say like a 73, something like that in my room. It's getting to be pretty comfortable here in Florida now. But okay, so isn't that neat? I thought that was pretty cool. So that's an indication there, whatever the thing is going on here with the temperatures in the containers. So let's move on with the rest of the swatches. So here are all 6 color guys, and just to let you know, so these two right here, they're very, very difficult to tell the difference between the two as I apply them, but here they are in the jars. So this one right here is the more of a maroon color, very pretty, and this one is more of the purple, and I know it's hard to tell them apart there, and they both have very different effects. So here to show you on the lids what they look like, and let me compare them. Okay, so I'm going to assume the jar is cold. I don't know. We're gonna do the test and see. I'm gonna bring out my heating dryer, or my heating tool, and blow on these and see what happens with the color changing. But I try to show you there with the top coat application as it was drying, so you can see the transition from one color to the other. Very, very pretty. I'll have to say, so this one, this has more of an orange. It turns more of into a lighter color, so does the green, and so are these two. The two most obvious ones are the pink and blue. But as they are my favorite ones, I really love this orange, and I like the green too. Let's go ahead and play with the color changing. So here you have them. So this is hot. The previous color, the original color as you see them in the jars, is the cold state. This is hot. As you can see, the most obvious ones were these 3 over here. Very pretty. So this one almost turned into what this one was in the lighter colors, and it's still in the hot state. It's really hard to tell the difference between these two. Okay, so there you guys have it. If you have any questions about these, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I will have all the links below, down in the description bar below as well, if you're interested in purchasing these. I would like to thank Aimeili for sending me these beautiful dip powders to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.